If you're looking to get started in the exciting world of flipping houses, or if you're already a flipper and you're looking to up your game, this video is for you. You see, in order to successfully flip houses, not just occasionally, but consistently, and earn a 6 and even 7-figure income, there are 3 things that you need to have. Black flipster, gray flipster, let's go with black. Look, here's the good news. Of the 3 things that I'm gonna talk about on this video, only one is required for you to get started and have success. Now, once you have all 3, you are unstoppable. If you wanna make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life, then subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Okay, thing number 1 that you need to successfully flip houses is money. Now, when I'm talking about money, there's really 3 different types of money that we can talk about when it comes to investing in real estate and flipping houses. The first one is your own cash, right? So if you have your own bundle of cash, a reserve of money that you're gonna use for investing, your savings, a fund, your IRA, whatever it may be, you can use that money to invest in real estate, start making money with that money. You can partner, you can fund deals, you can lend it out to other flippers, you can start to make money in real estate using your cash. Number 2, when it comes to money, is bank money. If you've got good credit, good income, good history at a job, you can qualify for bank financing. Use that cheap bank money to then go out and invest in deals. And the third one, which is my favorite, is OPM, other people's money. Other people will lend you their money to fund your real estate deals. You can get 100% of the capital to buy and fix up houses. Now, there are certainly no money down strategies, and there's ways to make money in real estate without having any money. But if you want to consistently do deals, consistently grow a business, and make 6 figures, 7 figures in real estate, you have to get good at raising capital to be able to do bigger deals and more deals. Now, thing number 2 to successfully flip houses, earn a 6 and even 7-figure income is expertise, right? Sure, you can go out and do a deal if you're brand new or you have very limited experience or expertise, but if you want to consistently do deals month in and month out, earn a 6 and even 7-figure income, you have to become an expert at flipping houses. You have to do everything in your power to increase your knowledge, your understanding of the market, all the different ways that you can flip houses, analyzing, making offers, structuring deals, all of the different things that go into the business. Just like any business, the better you are at it, the more money you'll make doing it. Now, I've got 3 things that you need to invest in, you need to focus on. One is training. There's a lot of training. I have training programs. You can go on my YouTube channel where I put out tons of videos that teach you tips and strategies and tricks and hacks to make money in real estate, especially flipping houses. I have programs that you can invest in where you can buy and learn step-by-step training about all kinds of different things. The second thing is coaching and mentoring. In my own life and in my own business, I've been doing this full-time for 15 years. Once I started to invest in a mentor and pay for a mentor, my business skyrocketed. And even though I've been doing this for 15 years full-time, I've done hundreds and thousands of deals, I still pay for mentoring and coaching so that I can continually get better. Now, the third thing is what I call OTJT, which stands for on-the-job training. There's no better way to get good at this business than to just get out there and do it. Take action. Learn as you go. I learn very quickly when I get myself in the middle of it and I'm doing it. Nothing teaches me faster than actually doing it. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to actually make your first $10,000 or your next $10,000 without any money or any expertise. Third thing to successfully flip houses month in and month out, earn a 6-figure, even 7-figure income is hustle. Now, here's the cool thing about hustle. You don't need money, you don't need expertise, but if you have hustle, you can get out there and start making a lot of money very quickly in real estate flipping, and that's with wholesaling. Wholesaling is a strategy where you get out there in your market and you find good deals. The more you hustle, the better you get to these deals. You beat out your competition. All these other investors who are looking for deals but are lazy, you get to the deals before they do, and you can wholesale your deals to them, and they will pay you handsomely for those deals. $5, $10, even $15, $20,000 per deal just for being a hustler and getting those deals, getting the contracts, flipping or assigning those contracts. We call that wholesaling. Isn't that exciting that you can actually start to make a lot of money in this business without money and without expertise, or very little expertise, just by getting good deals? Investors are dying for deals. It is an awesome way to really start making money in this business. For me, when I got started, that's all I had. I didn't have money, I didn't have expertise, but I was so driven and so motivated to be successful, to get out of my minimum wage construction job, that I went out there in my market in Detroit and I hustled. And I got to a point where I was doing 5, 6 deals, wholesale deals every month, earning on average about $5,000 per deal. Started making a lot of money without money and without expertise, or very much expertise, but with a lot of hustle. Now combine all three, money, expertise, and hustle, and you are unstoppable. You literally can build a 7-figure business model flipping houses if you have these things. Now, money, what I mean by money, again, other people's money, get good at raising other people's money to fund your own deals. Expertise, learn how to grow a team, learn how to put systems and tools in place that will save you time. Get good at your craft. And hustle, learn how to get out there and put into practice what it takes to find these good deals, put deals together. You can crush it. I'm so excited to be able to tell you that when you combine these three things, you are unstoppable. Now, I'm so glad that you stayed to the end of this video, because if you're new to real estate and you have hustle and you're ready to get out there and start making money flipping houses, then here's an opportunity I have for you. I have a finder program where you learn my specific criteria for the deals that I'm looking for. I'm looking for deals in all 50 states, so it doesn't matter where it's at. You can live anywhere you want, overseas, it doesn't matter, as long as the deals are here in the US. Now, in this finder program, I show you exactly my criteria, exactly how to find the deals. I give you software and tools to go out and find these deals. And if you're willing to hustle, you can bring these deals, submit them to me, and I'll pay you $10,000 for every deal you bring that meets my criteria. You don't have to have any money, you don't have to have any expertise or very little expertise. I'll give you what you need to go out there and find these deals. I'll pay you $10,000, I'll be your buyer, and you can do this again and again and again. Now, I'm putting together a web training that shows you exactly how to get started doing this. Click the link in the description. It will take you to a registration page where you can sign up for that web training class and learn how to be a finder for me. Super excited for you. Either way, you can crush it in this business. You can dominate and earn a 6 and even 7-figure income. And that's what this is all about. So if you're looking to make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. And watch this next video where I actually present a $10,000 check to one of my finder students for finding and bringing me a deal in Houston, Texas. Here's his check, this great big check here for $10,000 for finding a deal. And I want to tell you congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job. And here's your check.
Thank you so much.